Hey everyone, I'm Terriell, and this is the Pilates Flow Challenge, episode 3. Alright, if you were here for episode 1 and episode 2, you already know this is about the Pilates Abs series of 5. I'm calling it season 1, and we are going to do the Abs series of 5 in the most fun, creative, and challenging ways. And today, this one is going to be awesome. It is literally the best, and it makes me giggle inside. So here's how it works. 1, today in this video, you learn the Pilates Flow with me. I give you the instructions and the video, and you get to practice, press play, rewind, pause, whatever you need to learn the flow. Step 2 is all about you. You get to do the Pilates Flow and record yourself doing it. You can do this in a number of ways. If you want to record yourself actually taking the class from me right this very second, you totally can. If you want to practice it and do it later, that's okay too. Step 3 is the social part. It's to post your Pilates Flow on IG or YouTube, whatever platform you use, and use the hashtag Pilates Flow Challenge. All of the details on how to get social are below on the description. And step 4, I don't think there is a step 4. I get to see you all do your Pilates Flow and share it on my IG, which is really exciting. This is all about having some fun, doing some Pilates together, and creating a little bit of community. So with all that said, let's get moving, let's get down on the mat and do this. All right, buckle up friends, this is gonna be a fun ride. So to warm up for this Pilates Flow, I just want us to do a few rolling like a ball so that we don't die later. I want you to get the feeling of what we're gonna do. So I want you to sit close to the front edge of your mat, pull your heels into your seat, grab onto your ankles, lift your feet off the floor, and find a balance on your tailbone. Really get comfortable balancing on your tailbone here. So now I want you to draw your chin down into your chest, round your low back, scoop into your powerhouse here, and then we'll rock back through the center of the spine and rock up and rock back and rock up. Let's do 4 more. Rock it back and up 3 more times. Last 2 and 1. Hold. All right, now we start the flow. So I want you to hug your right knee into your chest and send your left leg long. We'll keep the chin down. We'll keep the spine rounded. You're doing your single leg stretch here with the right knee in. And now I want you to kiss the inside of your right foot into the inside of your left knee. And keep this shape, don't let it move. And we're gonna rock 4 times. Rock it back and up to balance. Here we go, 2 more. Keep those elbows bending to the side, your low belly pulling in. 1 more time, and then switch your legs, rounding the spine even more to rock back and up. And now I want you to avoid kicking the legs to work the roll. We want to work on rounding the spine and using the abs in order to roll. You have 1 more, and hold the top, both knees into the chest. Now it gets fun. We reach the arms and legs out. We circle around to hug. We take 1 roll, and then we come up to the top, and then we reach, and we circle. This is your double leg stretch in the ab series. And hold. 3 more, reach and scoop. Circle around, hug, rock back, and up, hold. 2 more, reach, circle around, scoop in, find that small ball, rock back, and up. Oop, I got a little bit off center, that's okay, go again. And scoop and hold. Course correct if you need to on this last roll, like I am. Find center, don't let your feet touch. Right leg up to the ceiling, left leg long, 45. Try not to let it touch the floor. Your hands are on your right ankle, we round. And we rock 4. Stick the landing at the top. 3. Ooh. 2. And 1. Scissor switch those legs to rock 4. Ooh. Don't let that bottom leg touch. 2 more. And 1. Back to the top. Hold it. Adjust if you need to on your mat. And now from here, we take the legs together, 45 degrees Pilates stance. Hands behind the head, right elbow, wide elbows around the spine. Let's rock 4. Balance at the top, staying rounded. 3. Ooh, this one is the hardest, I think. 2. 1 more. Good, hold. Now twist to one side, elbow to knee. Same thing, we're kissing the inside of the foot into the inside of the knee, and we rock. Elbow and knee touch. 3. 2. 1. And switch sides. And 4. Ooh, that one was a little crazy. 3. 2. Try to make it round as you can. 1. And find center. Now pull into your rolling like a ball. And then finally set your feet down on the floor to finish your flow. You made it through this one. Pilates Flow Challenge, episode 3. Really nice job. And there you have it, today's Pilates Flow Challenge. I hope you didn't lose your lunch with all of that rocking and rolling. I know it's a lot of fun. And remember, as you're doing this, as you're learning these Pilates flows, give yourself grace. Pilates is not being about perfect. It's not about doing things perfectly, although we talk about precision, concentration, and paying attention to everything that you're doing and working towards the ideal in Pilates. For me, Pilates is about trying your best and paying attention to what your body can do as opposed to what it can't do. And then just feeling good because you worked out and you got stronger. I cannot wait to see all of your rolling Pilates ab series flows. It's gonna be so much fun to see your progress and your creativity. Thank you so much for watching and joining in on the fun. If you like this video, if you had fun, if you learned something, and if you got a good workout, make sure you hit like. Please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you on the mat next time.